Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Tab Active 3 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this left section we have to find sounds and vibration. Then let's tap on a ringtone, and as you can see here we've been transferred to the full list of pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. What is more, you can tap on silent, which simply means that your device will not use any kind of sound to notify about the incoming call. And you've got also this plus icon, so you can enter your own files. If you will have any compatible ones, for example downloaded, they will appear right here and you will be able to pick them and set them as a ringtone. But let me get back to the pre-installed options, and basically in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds you have to tap on it. So let me pick maybe this one, like Planet, and let me volume it down, and basically simply find the one you like the most, mark it, and then go back. And as you can see, it will be immediately applied and notified right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thanks so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.